And welcome to Monday's ASX chart of the day. It's the 5th of June 2023. We hope you're all well, had a great weekend. Today we are looking at Lynas Rare Earths Limited, as the name suggests, company in the material space focusing on rare earths. Ticker code LYC. Let's just check out the chart right now and see what the price action is like. This is one that we've been tracking for some time. We had a really nice gap up on a production report, as you can see, at the beginning of May, and since then we've just edged up higher. Been a bit of a choppy ride, but now we are at an interesting point. You can see here we're at 780, and you can see that 200 MA being challenged right now. We're up about 2% for the day so far. What this does is it breaches a key level there. You can see support here and here, resistance really since that move up at the 1st of May. So this breach of this 770 and a break of the 200 EMA would suggest that there is some buying pressure coming into this. In terms of upside on this, I would think in the first instance probably around about a 5.5% move up to around about this 825 level, but possibly even up in the medium term to around about 850 is certainly on the cards. We've got technically everything lining up here, as well as it being over the 200 MA. Obviously we've got the shorter term moving averages looking pretty healthy as well, and the volume's been okay over the last week. And with news of Chinese potential stimulus being rumoured, this is a stock that could be a beneficiary. Trade safe and see you again soon. Bye bye for now.